What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 91 Gadgets. I'm gonna go ahead and open this MacBook Pro real quick, probably 3-minute video. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in here and see what we have, what kind of components, and see if there's an option for a bigger drive, etc. I could probably just go on YouTube and search it up, but I'm gonna do this for you guys, and don't tell Wendy. Alright, let's get to it real quick. I need my special tool. You can buy it. This is my other toolbox. I have this in my computer bag. There it is right here. I bought this on eBay. Alright, so here it is. Let's start taking off these screws. I just want to see what it looks like in there. Does it maybe slide? I don't know. Guys, it does slide. Hope I didn't break it. You see these things right here? There's these little pegs right there. Okay guys, so remember this thing slides like this. Like this, and then it slides up. Anyways, we'll figure that out later. Why would they do that? Man, Apple is so weird. Okay, so we've got the battery right here. And yeah, man, this is pretty crazy. Speaker. Probably your RAM in here and RAM in here, and I'm guessing the SSD is also soldered on here somewhere. Yeah, but there's no room for anything in here. Look, there's no slots. Everything is just on this board. But I'm happy that I know people who work on these, that are super like they can do anything on these boards. So, yep, there you have it, guys. But other than that, it looks like any other MacBook does. You have your little motherboard screws right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your hinges for the LCD, they look the same. Right there. And your fans, your heat sink, your processor should probably be right here. Yeah, it looks like it is right here. But again, there's no, okay, that could be the SSD right there, or it could be the RAM. I'm not sure, to be honest, but I don't really care. I don't really work on these anymore. So as far as motherboard goes, I just outsource it. That's why you guys need to join our team, man. If you want to open your own cell phone repair shop, or your own computer repair shop, go to 91gadgets.com, cell phone repair training. Get the 5-day curriculum for only $39.99, and you're going to have access to our Facebook group where you'll meet all these people who are with us in our team that can help you fix these. If you ever get one of these and you don't know how to fix it, you send it out, they'll fix it for you at our special price, and then you can mark it up for your customers. So you're literally not doing anything but shipping it. So, all right, let's figure out how to put this back on. Like I said, this thing is pretty weird. There, it goes like this. And like this. There's that side. There it is. There it is. And then these two clip on right here. You see that? Okay guys, so I didn't break it, but we did learn that these open, they slide down, okay? If you're reading MacBook Pro, it slides down this way. Let's put it together and let's see what Wendy has to say about this video. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, join our team, 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. You won't regret it. We have a lot of good things going on this year with the whole 911 gadgets thing. I also want to let you guys know that I've started a new company. It's not just me. I partnered up with some of my closest friends. It's called Digital Clicks. So if you guys want to go to digitalclicks.com, go check that out. Whatever type of business you have, we can help you grow it, get you those digital clicks that you need to drive your business forward. We do everything from logo design to 3D rendering, video editing, SEO, website development, custom software development, and my favorite, mobile apps. So we work on iOS and Android, both platforms. So if you guys have any questions regarding that, send me an email or just visit digitalclicks.com. Digital Clicks without the K. We are marketing to Latin American countries, so I decided to name it Digital Clicks without the K because in Spanish it means the same thing. Digital and clicks is spelled the same way in Spanish. So plus Digital Clicks with a K was taken and it was very expensive, like $12,000. All right guys, I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.